Okay. Ready?
Yes.
All right, so this right here, this says on or about the 8th day. Okay.
Hey, do either of you drive a Suburban?
I think that's the guy that just walked out.
So on or about the 8th day of May 2022 in Delaware County, state of Indiana. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't know her name, so this would be your name right here. Okay, so put your name right here. Okay. So go ahead and put your name right there.
Okay.
Okay.
This is that's
Yeah.
battery affidavit.
Yep.
Okay.
This is a battery affidavit.
You guys are off.
Okay. I'm trying to help you out here. So your name's gonna go right here where it says victim's name.
Okay. But since I don't know her name, do I just what do I put?
We'll put that.
Okay.
Just put your name here in a rude, insolent, or angry manner to wit. Okay. So what that means right here, this is just the physical aspect of what happened. Punch, kick, push, what have you. Okay. I don't need. This is not a narrative. Okay. So just put. Literally punched, kicked, slapped, what have you, okay? Sound good? So go ahead and fill that out, okay?
Okay. And then so fill that out and then fill that out too, right?
Yep, and then I'll have you fill this out. But we're gonna do this step first, okay?
And then this press charges. I want to press charges against her.
Without this, we can't press charges.
Okay. Perfect. That's the first time I've ever I've been called several times. Nobody's ever given me that, so and also, I can vouch, these people are vouch for me, but not only that, but the owner has video. The people that see her come at me and all that. The guy, I don't know who vouched for me, he said, he's like, I seen her video, you didn't do anything.
Like I said, we watched the video, and we'll get